Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is December 15th, 2013. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains and losses. Let's take a look at current market trend and our strategy. US stock market uptrend is under pressure as the distribution days pile up for the major indices. However, most of the leading stocks remain strong. My plan, I will continue hold on to the stocks that are acting well, but I will sell stocks that break support. I have reduced position on the index ETFs. Let's take a look at major indices. German DAX index broke support 50-day moving average, and that's a major pullback. So it rebounded a little bit, but couldn't hold it and just break 50-day moving average. That's not very good. China index is still in the uptrend, but it pulled back to 50-day moving average. Nasdaq had a distribution day. All this high volume, the red bar, high volume down day, those are distribution days. And it's not very good when you have this many distribution days. We have to wait and see if Nasdaq can hold 30-day moving average. If not, whether it can hold 50-day moving average. Let's wait and see. Mid cap is sitting right at the 50-day moving average. Small cap also right at the 50-day moving average. SP 500 large cap is above 50-day moving average, but it also had all these distribution days. All these distribution days are not very good. Gold is still in a downtrend. There's really nothing to do here. Silver is in a downtrend. Gold mining index, mining stock index also in a downtrend. US dollar downtrend. Crude oil rebounded, but seems like it's going back down again. IYR is a US real estate ETF, real estate sector stock ETF. It's in a downtrend. MBB is a real estate bond fund. Now it's going back down, so that interest rate may pick up again. Semiconductor index is in the uptrend, but sitting right at a 50-day moving average. Energy index ETF downtrend, came down. Financial ETF is still in the uptrend. We have to watch this closely. If the financial break 50-day moving average, that would be very bad for the market. Let's look at the four lists. One is stocks in the uptrend. The second list is a stock that has broken out but still within the buy range, which is 5% of the breakout pivotal point. And third list is the stock that are currently building a base. Those stocks hasn't broke out yet. The advice is to wait for breakout before from the base before buying. And the fourth list is the stocks that's weakening. Those are the stocks we should avoid. Let's take a look at the currently uptrend stock. ACT is in the uptrend. Activist, and it tried to break out, but it pulled back, but still in the uptrend. Ameriprise Financial uptrend. Amazon uptrend. HomeAway is in the uptrend. Celgene in the uptrend. Chapito Mexican Grow in the uptrend, but they pull back to 50-day moving average. We have to see whether it can hold here. E-Trade Financials uptrend. Financial Engines uptrend. GNC Holdings right at a 50-day moving average. This is in the uptrend. GoGo Inc. Uptrend. Google remain in the uptrend, even though it has a little pullback here, but it didn't break any support line. It's below 10-day moving average, but it's still above 20-day moving average. So we have to see if it can hold or not. Home Inn and Hotel Management uptrend. Jazz Pharmaceutical uptrend. Microsoft broke 30-day moving average. This is not very good. It shows distribution right here. We have to see whether it can hold 50-day moving average. If it cannot hold 50-day moving average, then this stock may just go to the downtrend. Charles Schwab uptrend. Twitter is a very strong uptrend right here. It broke out on Monday and just keep going up, never look back. So we have to see whether this stock can offer another buy opportunity by pulling back. So this is definitely on top of my list, and Twitter has a very strong action right here. Wynn Resort in uptrend. The casino stocks are doing pretty good. Second list of the stocks broke out, but they're still within 5% of breakout pivotal point. Biogen pull back. It has a big gap up. So if it can hold this gap, that's a second buy opportunity. Copper Holdings, CPA, break out from this flat base with a high volume. This is a breakout pivotal point. It break out directly, try to break out here, pull back, and then Friday break out again. Michael Kors broke out right here. It's still within the buy point. Las Vegas Sand, this is a breakout point, and this is a very strong stock. MasterCard broke out on Wednesday with a high volume gap up. Chiwei, this is also breakout right here on Thursday. Under Armour's breakout here. Visa breakout on Friday. Those are recent breakout. Well, some of them broke out for a while, but they're still within 5% of breakout point. Third list are the stocks that are building a base, and they haven't broke out yet, but it's worth to watch. Facebook is building a base, and right now it's coming to the right-hand side of the base, and breakout point is 54.93. If it can break above that point, that would be a buy point. Syntax Corp, breakout point is a 31.59. So right now it's building a flat base. Look at this accumulation action in the base. This is a very good action. High volume going up. New Skin broke out right here. This is actually making another base now. New Skin is making another 3-week tie pattern as a fly base. And if it can break out 132.77, that would be another buy point. Precision Cast Part, it's making a base right here. Qihu is making a base. Right now it's holding tight. It's trading between the range of 76 to 96. So if it can break out from this flat base, that would be a buy point. Solar City also making a base right here. Global Social Media Index Fund. This is a ETF for the social media network like Facebook, LinkedIn, all those social media. This is on my watch list because this fund itself is making a base. Tesla is making a base right here. It's actually show very good action right here. If it can stay above 50-day moving average, that would be very good. Under Armour's looks like it's breakout from this base, but it hasn't break out the high point, 86.02. So those are the stocks that are making a base. And the fourth list are the stocks that's very weak. Those stocks need to be avoided. Alliance Fiber Optics going down. Abercrombie Fitch, A&F, gap down here, keep going down. And it's just bad, don't buy it. Lumber Liquidator broke 50-day moving average. It's just high volume down days. Those are huge volume down days. Those are institution selling. You know, those are not regular retail investor. Those are institution dumping the stock. That's not very good. MELI, this also had a gap down and keep going down. This is a bad stock. NetQ Mobile, this one may be stabilizing here. I don't know. Looks like it has a big crash, and now it's just stay within the range of 10 to 14. It could go back up, it could come down. Who knows? This is really hard to see. We just have to, watch. It's not a stock to buy. Oasis Petroleum is in a downtrend, but it may find support around 200-day moving average, but it's still not a buy signal. It's just something to watch. Oceanair looks like it's fine support on 200-day moving average. Protolab going down. It comes close to 200-day moving average. I would say let's see if it can find support here. SodaStream and going down. It has no support. It just keep going down. One wave after another. It just keep going down. SolarWind, it's been down for a very long time. Right now, it finally break above 50-day moving average, but it's still very far away from 200-day moving average. From trend analysis, this stock is in a downtrend. Ultra downtrend. This gap down, it just it will just continue go down. Usually, that's what happened. It will just, not a good stock to hold or to buy here. Just nothing to do here. Yelp is in the downtrend below 50-day moving average. What to do in the current market? And the advice, what I would do is I will hold on to stocks if they act well, and I will only buy strong stocks if they break out from a base and still within 5% of breakout pivotal point. I will sell a stock if it breaks support, or if the stock fall 5% below my purchasing price, means I have 5% loss, I will take my loss and get out. Market should go up and the year end. However, we should stay flexible. In case it goes down, we should have the flexibility to get out. That's all for this week. See you next week.